There's a fierce battle happening right now, but it's not about gadgets, it's about the AI cloud. Big tech companies are racing to be the go-to place for building the next generation of AI. Every AI chatbot or image generator you use runs on powerful computers in massive data centers. These centers are the backbone of the AI revolution, and whoever controls them shapes the future of technology. It's not just about having the most servers, it's about offering the best tools for developers. When Amazon, Google, and Microsoft compete, they push each other to innovate, making AI faster, better, and more affordable. The real race is about who can make AI power accessible and easy for everyone, not just tech giants. Startups and solo developers want in, but high costs and complexity are big hurdles. The next winner in the cloud war will be the one who makes AI power simple and affordable. Enter Nebius, a new contender, with a different approach. Instead of out-muscling the giants, Nebius is betting on flexibility and open-source technology. They believe developers want more choice and control. This bold strategy could shake up the entire AI cloud market. Nebius is aiming to make AI development open, accessible, and customizable. Let's dive into how they're changing the game. So, who is Nebius? They spun out of Yandex in 2022 and specialize in high-performance AI cloud infrastructure. Nebius has been quietly building data centers across Europe, optimized for AI's heavy demands. Their big break, a multi-year deal with Microsoft, which is buying Nebius's AI computing power. That's a huge endorsement. Microsoft trusts Nebius's efficiency and performance. Nebius runs on thousands of NVIDIA H100 GPUs, the gold standard for AI training. But it's not just hardware. They've built a scalable, sustainable platform designed for speed and efficiency. This lets them offer competitive prices and attract new customers. With rapid growth and major partners, Nebius is now a serious contender in the AI cloud space. Now, let's talk about Nebius's big innovation, Token Factory. Token Factory is a managed platform that makes it easy to work with open-source AI models. Instead of wrestling with complicated setups, developers get a streamlined environment to build and fine-tune models. It supports popular open-source models like Llama 3 and GPT-OSS. Normally, deploying these models is a headache. Token Factory automates the hard parts. Developers can pick a model, customize it, and deploy it in just a few clicks. The platform isn't a closed ecosystem. You're free to choose and modify the best open-source models for your needs. For example, a company can fine-tune Llama 3 on their own data to create a custom chatbot. Token Factory provides the tools and infrastructure to make this process smooth. This approach combines open-source power with cloud convenience. Businesses get flexibility and transparency without the hassle of managing hardware. Nebius is betting this is exactly what the market wants. The big cloud providers, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, offer everything in one closed ecosystem. Their platforms are built around their own proprietary AI models, which can feel restrictive. Nebius is taking a different path. They want to be the best place to run open-source models. Instead of locking you in, Nebius offers a neutral, high-performance foundation for any model you choose. Open source is their priority, not an afterthought. They're building tools to make working with models like Llama and Mistral easy and efficient. This appeals to developers who want openness and control, not just another walled garden. Nebius is carving out a niche as the go-to provider for open-source AI development. By focusing on flexibility and performance, they're challenging the incumbents in a smart way. A platform is only as good as its users, and Nebius is attracting some big names. Prosus NV, a global tech investor, is using Nebius to build AI for its portfolio companies. That's a major vote of confidence. Hugging Face, the hub of the open-source AI community, has partnered with Nebius to make deploying models seamless. This connects Nebius directly to millions of developers. Startups like Higgsfield, which does AI video generation, are leveraging Nebius's high-performance GPUs to push boundaries. For these companies, Nebius offers the power and flexibility they need to compete. These early adopters prove Nebius's strategy works in the real world. The combination of performance, open-source flexibility, and specialized tools is drawing a diverse range of users. Their success is paving the way for even more companies to join. Why does open source and flexibility matter for AI's future? Open source models are transparent. Anyone can inspect, modify, and use them. This builds trust, especially in sensitive fields like healthcare or finance. Flexibility means you're not locked into one provider. You can choose the best tools for each job. It prevents vendor lock-in and keeps businesses agile as new models emerge. Open source and flexibility accelerate innovation. Thousands of developers can improve models faster than any single company. Nebius's platform fuels this global, collaborative effort. It also makes powerful AI accessible to more people and organizations, not just tech giants. Open source models are often free, and Token Factory makes them easy and affordable to run. This democratizes AI, leveling the playing field for startups and established companies alike. What does this mean for the future of the AI cloud? Nebius signals a shift away from closed, walled gardens toward openness and flexibility. Many customers want freedom and control, not lock-in. If Nebius's open-source first model gains traction, the big players may have to open up too. More competition means better products and lower prices for everyone. We could see a diverse ecosystem, big all-in-one platforms and specialized providers like Nebius. Businesses will choose the platform that fits their needs and philosophy. This specialization shows a maturing market where different players serve different segments. Nebius's approach, openness, flexibility, accessibility, could make AI more transparent and collaborative. By championing open source, Nebius is helping shape a more democratic future for AI.